What's up, everybody? Welcome. I'm doing an unboxing video or an unbagging video for something I bought at auction, and I think I know what it is. Let's see. So I cheated a little bit and cut the bag open because it's hard to cut open and film at the same time. And this is what's inside. This little, interestingly, it's just like a foam Post-it note because it's adhesive on one side. This is a great idea for shipping valuables. I'm gonna have to research what this is. All right, let's get this guy open. Okay. Oh, this whole side is sticky. This is inconvenient. 1 second. Ta-da! Here we go. It's just a size 9 sterling silver vintage statement ring, completely blank, and I think it's fantastic. So I'm debating taking this. Let me take it out of the bag here. So I paid $5 for this, and it is sterling silver, not aluminum or anything like that. Or stainless steel, and I'm thinking of either wearing it myself or selling it on Etsy as just a plain vintage sterling silver statement ring. I could probably get $30 or $40 for this, depending on how well I photograph it on Etsy. It has 0 engraving on it, it's just plain silver, or I might wear this because after shipping was $6. This honestly is just kind of cool, and I'm looking for something to wear like on my pinky, so we'll see. I might keep this. Now we have a second unboxing here, or unbagging, to show you guys. And this here, again, I need to set my phone down for a second. Okay, here's what was inside. Now again, I think I will try to one-hand this. Get this bag cut. Here we go. All right, 4 lots total in this one. So, clean all this up. Okay, move my ring out of the way. Okay, here is what we have, ladies and gentlemen. We have some, I think, amethyst. I'll have to look up and see what I actually got. Oh, cool. So these are cinnabar skulls. I had no idea what these were, but let me show you. Let's do this one by one. So set my phone down for a second, unless maybe this rig will work. Let me try this. Okay, let's try this angle out. I've got my phone on a little bit of a rig there. Okay, so first things first. I think this is going to be backwards for you guys, but this is a part of that rock auction. So I did a video last week on these rock auctions. So let me actually pull the screen up so I'm more informed as to what I purchased. So let me go to log in. Okay, folks, so these are rose quartz, cut gems. So this is just rose quartz. And they're little guys. I paid $5 for this bag. I'm going to list these on Etsy as jewelry making supplies, but I hope you can see that these guys are little itty bitties. Just little itty bitty rose quartz, and they're cut. You can see them pretty well right here in the camera, like that. Little different little shades and hues. I'm hoping these are in focus. I really can't tell on my screen, but just little guys. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. So I'm gonna sell these make a single listing for these and sell these on Etsy. Not sure what I'm going to charge yet, and I don't think I'm going to take too much time photographing because there's only 7 of them, but I might be able to charge, you know, a couple bucks a piece, maybe $5 a piece. We'll see, depending on competition. Okay, then I've got these. So these are amethyst. These are just little amethyst samples. And I bought these for $3 total for both. This nice little guy here. And this little guy here. So 2 more rose quartz to add to my collection that I bought last week. Right there. Okay. And then, so here's the cool thing. So I had to do some research as to what in the hell these were, because these popped up on the auction site. This was a big rock and stone and mineral auction. So these are called cinnabar skulls, Cinnabar. I bought 5 bags of these, so I have more coming in another week. But here they are, and I believe that these are just carved out of stone. I guess cinnabar is what they're carved out of. I didn't know that cinnabar was a material. Now I think I need to turn the camera around and kind of zoom in on these from the other angle to really show these off to you. So here's another angle, which is going to be a lot more detail for you guys. But as you can see, these are carved, hand-carved cinnabar skulls, and they have a little hole in top. And I'm sure that's for jewelry making, so that you can easily screw in whatever attachment you would need to make this into a necklace. Same with the bottom. So I have seen some of these for sale on Etsy, but none of them are vintage like this and as cool looking as this. A lot of them are just less meticulous detail on them. Trying to get this in focus, and it's having a hard time. I might think these are actual faces. Let me tap the screen so it knows where to focus. Here's one of them right here. And these are called cinnabar skulls. So I got all of these guys, and I have more coming. So I'll create one Etsy listing and I'll sell these one at a time. Here's a closer up angle view of these rose quartz, little beads, little rectangular cut things. So you guys can get like a better look at these. They measure, I don't know, like maybe ½ an inch. Let's see. You can see that doesn't help at all. I did do that with the quartz. So here's a better close-up of those quartz. And these I did shine up through the light to show you guys the clarity of how cool these looked. You can see through them. It was beautiful. And here's the other one. Isn't that cool?